Here we go, 4th graders. We're going to work on adding dialogue to a narrative. So I'm going to show you my narrative here that I've been working on. So this is again about when my son Alex had a seizure. So I'm going to work right here on the problem. So one thing that I could type. So she took him to his bedroom and put him to sleep. I was doing the dishes. My wife yelled for me to come down stairs. Alex had a seizure. So I'm not really stretching this out or adding any details. One way I can do that is by adding dialogue. So instead of telling what happened, I can show it through dialogue. Mike, my wife, yelled from downstairs. Come downstairs, hurry. I rushed downstairs. What's wrong? I asked, nervously. So let's look at what I did here. I took this problem, I haven't even gotten to it yet, I'm kind of getting there, and I started by adding some dialogue and stretching it out a little bit more, making it seem a little more lifelike. I even said I asked nervously. Here's what I'm going to need you to do. I'm going to make this way bigger. But now, I've got this scenario. Mr. Grant asked Mr. Franklin if he watched the Vikings game over the weekend. Mr. Franklin did not watch the game. But read about it. I need you to try this out and bring it to group. We will share ideas of how you can turn this into something with dialogue.